y'all, what's cooking? My name is Chef Fred and welcome to our kitchen where I give you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking. Today we're going to make a cream cheese icing. So we're going to take 8-ounce block of cream cheese and place it into our mixing bowl. Then we're going to add a stick of butter. And then we're going to cream this together until it's nice and mixed up. What I like about this cream cheese icing recipe is that it's not overly sweet. I've had some before that are so sweet it hurts your teeth. You know what I'm talking about? You ever had that? Well, this one's not. It's not overly sweet and it's real creamy with the cream cheese, and it can go on lots of things. Today we're going to use a portion of this to go on our red velvet waffles, but I'm also going to use some of this to do some cake truffles and also to make a strawberry cream cheese dip to go with a fruit tray. To this we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now when you add your vanilla, measure it away from the bowl. Don't pour it into the teaspoon over the bowl, because if you happen to make a mistake you're going to put extra vanilla in, so do it away from the bowl. We're going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar, and then let's get that mixed up first before we add our next cup. And then we're going to add our second cup of powdered sugar. So there's only a total of 2 cups of powdered sugar in this recipe. Like I was saying earlier, some recipes call for 3 or 4 cups of powdered sugar, and it's just way too sweet. So I enjoy this one because it's, like I said, it's nice and creamy, and you get more cream cheese flavor in it than you do powdered sugar sweetness. So we're going to stop it and we're going to scrape down our beater and also the bowl. Scrape around the edges and the bottom real good to make sure everything is nice and incorporated and mixed up really good. And then we're going to let this mix for a minute or so until it's nice and creamy and mixed up really well. And there we have it, our easy to make cream cheese icing. Now this can be stored in the refrigerator for 2 or 3 weeks before you need to use it. Please share, like, and comment on this video. I read all the comments and try to respond to as many as I can. Until next time, cook something great, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.